back to the Molecular Master. In today's video, we're going to break down a fundamental concept in organic chemistry: how to determine if a molecule is aromatic, non-aromatic, or anti-aromatic. If terms like Huckel's rule and conjugation sound overwhelming, don't worry. We're going to simplify everything so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to identify whether a molecule is aromatic, non-aromatic, or anti-aromatic with ease. Let's get started. Aromatic compounds. To figure out if a molecule is aromatic, we need to follow some key rules. The most important of these is Huckel's rule, but before we get to that, let's break down what makes a molecule aromatic. 1. The molecule must be cyclic, meaning it should form a ring. 2. All atoms in the ring must have p orbitals for delocalized electrons, meaning the molecule must be fully conjugated. 3. The molecule must be planar, which means all the atoms are on the same plane. Lastly, and this is where Huckel's rule comes in, the molecule must have 4 n plus 2 pi electrons, where n is any integer. Huckel's rule tells us that aromatic compounds have 2, 6, 10, 14, etc. pi electrons. Let's look at benzene as an example. It's a cyclic, fully conjugated, and planar molecule with 6 pi electrons. Since 6 fits the 4n plus 2 rule, where n equals 1, benzene is aromatic. Anti-aromatic compounds. Now, let's talk about anti-aromatic compounds. These molecules meet the first three criteria. They are cyclic, conjugated, and planar, but they don't follow Huckel's rule. Instead of having 4 n plus 2 pi electrons, anti-aromatic compounds have exactly 4 n pi electrons, which makes them highly unstable. Because of this, anti-aromatic compounds are generally very reactive. Take cyclobutadiene as an example. It has 4 pi electrons, which fits the 4n rule, where n equals 1. So, despite being cyclic and conjugated, cyclobutadiene is anti-aromatic and extremely unstable. Non-aromatic compounds. Finally, we have non-aromatic compounds. These molecules either don't meet the cyclic, planar, or conjugation requirements, or they don't have the right number of pi electrons to fit Huckel's rule or the 4n rule. For example, cyclohexane is a 6-membered ring, but it's not conjugated and it doesn't have any delocalized pi electrons. Therefore, cyclohexane is an example of a non-aromatic compound. So, to summarize, aromatic molecules follow Huckel's rule, have 4 n plus 2 pi electrons, and are stable. Anti-aromatic molecules have 4 n pi electrons and are highly unstable. Non-aromatic molecules don't meet the criteria for being cyclic, conjugated, or planar, or don't have the right number of pi electrons. Next time you come across a molecule, follow these steps to figure out if it's aromatic, anti-aromatic, or non-aromatic. I hope this helped clear things up. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more organic chemistry tips. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, chemistry doesn't have to be complicated when you're a molecular master.